اقرأ باسم ربك
اقرأ
الذي
باسم
خلق.
ربك الذي خلق.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, talk about Al-Qaida Al-Nurani. Talk about the first lesson for Al-Qaida Al-Nuraniya. We read this lesson first. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الدرس الأول حروف الهجاء المفردة ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال را زا سين شين صاد ضاد طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو ها همزة يا الدرس الأول lesson number 1 حروف الهجاء المفردة individual alphabet letters. We read the basmala only in the first lesson. Make sure you keep the same tone throughout the lesson. In Arabic alphabet, each letter has name and form and sound. For example, letter Alif. The written form like this. The name like this. And the sound is Alif. We have to complete kasra in the lam in Alif. Don't read it Alif. No, Alif. Complete the kasra for lam. Alif. With the letter ba, ta, tha, fa, ya. Don't end the sound for these letters with the sound of hamza or ha. For example, don't say ba or ba. No, just ba, ta, like this. With the letters ta, dhal, dha is articulated by the tip of the tongue touching the edge of the upper teeth. Ta, like 3 or think in English. Ta, we out the tip a little bit when pronounce it. Ta, dhal, also like that or this in English. We out the tip of the tongue little bit. Dha, like that, but the heavy letter, we pronounce it with elevating the tongue towards the roof of the mouth. Dha. Also, when pronouncing ba, ta, tha, or any light letter, open your mouth vertically. Don't read with a smiley way. Don't say ba, ta, like this. No. Push the sound up. Ba, ta, okay? With jim, no breath. With jim, no breath sounds with it, like the sound in word jeans or jacket, da, like this. In ha, make friction in the throat. Ha, okay? Ha, this is a heavy letter. Don't say ha, no. Ha, raise the deepest part of your tongue to the roof. Dal, light letters. Dal, light also. Ra, in this case, the ra heavy. Okay. With the letter ha, sad, dad, ta, va, qaf, 7 letters, fine. These 7 letters in the group خص ضغط القذ To make memorizing easy, any one of these letters have tafkhim. When I pronounce this letter, you find the tongue is elevated and the sound go into the roof of the mouth. Kha, ta, va, sad, sad, dad, off, like this. With the letter ra, in this case, it is heavy. Ra. In the sin and sheen, two light letters. Sin, sheen, sad, dad, two heavy letters. You should make qalqala at the end. Sad, dad, and take care, don't say sad, dad, like this. No, raise the deepest part of your tongue to the roof of the mouth. Sad, dad, and also don't say sad. No, the dal at the end is light. Sad, dad. With ta and va, heavy letters as well. Ta, va. With ain, light letters. Not to be confused with the sound a. It's ain. Ain come from the middle of the throat. In ghain, it's heavy letter. Don't say ghain, no, gha, ghain. In fa, light letter. Don't read with imala or tilting. Don't say fa, no, go up with the sound. Fa, fa. In qaf, heavy letter, not to be confused with the sounds of kaf. Don't say kaf, no. Off, off. The qaf deeper than kaf. Off, kaf. Qaf heavy letter, but the kaf light letter. Take care, don't confuse between them. Off, kaf. In lam, light letter. Make your tongue flat. Don't say lam, lam. No, lam, lam. Okay. Meme, light letter. When stopping on the end of meme, give it moderate time. Meme, noon. Okay. When you pronounce noon, take care. Don't push the sound to the nose when pronounce the waw. Here. Don't say noon. No. Noon, noon, like this. Don't sharing the gunna in the waw in the middle. In the waw, light letter. Don't make it heavy. Don't say wow, no. Wow, ha, hamza, ha and hamza, light letters. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, light letter. Don't end it with running press. Don't say yeah or yeah. No, yeah. We have two yeah at the end. It has different readings in the Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.